Scene script. Have you ever wondered how you're able to wonder? Well, the answer lies within your brain. This 3-pound powerhouse nestled within our skulls is the maestro conducting the symphony of our existence. Every thought, every feeling, every movement, and even every dream is orchestrated by this complex organ. Imagine it as a grand control center, diligently managing the intricate processes that define our human experience. It's like the world's most advanced supercomputer, processing billions of pieces of information every second. It's the reason why we can solve complex problems, create magnificent works of art, and even contemplate the mysteries of the universe. From the simple act of blinking to the profound experience of falling in love, everything we do is a direct result of the ceaseless work of our brain. So, when you think about it, your brain is the control center of your very existence. The key players in our brain's communication network are neurons. These microscopic powerhouses are the foundation of our brain's functionality. Picture neurons as tiny messengers constantly buzzing with activity. They're responsible for everything from making your heart beat to helping you solve complex equations. Now, imagine a bustling city with its intricate network of roads and highways. That's what the inside of your brain looks like, with neurons connecting through junctions known as synapses. Just like traffic signals control the flow of cars, synapses regulate the flow of information between neurons. They do this by allowing electrical signals to pass from one neuron to another. This process is incredibly fast, happening in less than 1,000th of a second. It's this lightning-speed communication between neurons facilitated by synapses that allows us to think, feel, move, and even dream. So, it's the billions of neurons and their connections that make our brain function. The brain is not just a uniform mass, it's divided into specific regions, each with a particular role. Imagine the brain as a bustling city, with each district contributing to the overall functioning of the metropolis. For instance, the cerebral cortex, the outermost layer of the brain, is the center of higher thought processes, including decision-making and language. Delving deeper, we find the hippocampus nestled within the temporal lobes. This important structure is the guardian of our memories, playing a key role in the formation and storage of long-term memories. Then there's the amygdala, the brain's emotional powerhouse. It's responsible for our emotional responses, particularly fear and anxiety. And let's not forget the cerebellum, the brain's movement maestro. It coordinates voluntary movements, maintains posture, and ensures balance. These are just a few of the key players in our brain's intricate network. Each part of the brain plays a unique role in making us who we are. Did you know that your brain is capable of change and adaptation? That's right. This incredible phenomenon is known as neuroplasticity. It's the brain's magical ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. Neuroplasticity is the superhero of our brain. It comes to the rescue when we learn something new or when we recover from a brain injury. When we acquire a new skill, for instance, playing the piano, the connections between the neurons involved in this task become stronger. The more we practice, the better we get, thanks to neuroplasticity. And it doesn't stop there. Neuroplasticity also plays a crucial role in recovery from stroke or trauma. In such cases, the brain can rewire its circuits to bypass damaged areas, a bit like rerouting traffic around a roadblock. It's like our brains have their own built-in toolkit, ready to adapt and overcome challenges. So, our brains are not just complex, they're also adaptable. Despite its incredible capabilities, the brain isn't immune to disorders. These conditions can significantly impact a person's quality of life, making it crucial to understand and find effective treatments. Alzheimer's disease, for example, is a progressive disorder that destroys memory and other important mental functions. Then we have Parkinson's disease, a neurodegenerative disorder that primarily affects dopamine-producing neurons in a specific area of the brain. Symptoms generally develop slowly over years and include tremors, rigid muscles, and problems with balance. Another common brain disorder is schizophrenia, a severe mental disorder affecting how a person thinks, feels, and behaves. It's often characterized by hallucinations, delusions, and thought disorders. These are just a few examples of brain disorders, and ongoing research is critical. Scientists worldwide are working tirelessly to understand these conditions better and develop more effective treatments. While the brain is powerful, it's also vulnerable, and understanding these disorders is key to finding treatments. So what does the future hold for neuroscience? You may wonder. With the rapid advancements in technology and our growing understanding of the brain, the possibilities are truly endless. Recent breakthroughs have led to revolutionary concepts like brain-computer interfaces. Imagine a world where thoughts can control machines, or where we can download knowledge directly into our brains. While this may sound like science fiction, it is a reality that researchers are diligently working towards. This is not just about augmenting human capabilities, but also about treating chronic neurological disorders. Imagine a future where we can effectively treat conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and schizophrenia, improving the quality of life for millions of people around the world. The field of neuroscience is on the cusp of major breakthroughs, fueled by our insatiable curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The future of neuroscience is certainly exciting and holds immense potential. It's a future we can all look forward to. That brings us to the end of our journey through the human brain. We've traveled through the labyrinth of neurons and synapses, the complex structures that make up the brain, and marveled at the brain's ability to adapt and change through neuroplasticity. We've delved into the unfortunate reality of brain disorders, but also glimpsed the hope that future research holds. Our exploration may be over, but the journey of discovery in neuroscience continues every day. The brain, a mere 3 pounds of tissue, still holds countless secrets waiting to be unlocked. Each day, scientists are pushing boundaries, uncovering new insights about this marvel of evolution. To keep up with the latest findings and to continue exploring the fascinating world of science and technology, make sure to subscribe. There are many more journeys to embark on, many more mysteries to unravel. Thanks for joining us on this fascinating journey through the human brain. Stay curious.